This is Avida Residences, Santa Catalina Phase 2 in Barangay Salawag, Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Corner house and lot. Lot area nito is 114 square meters and floor area is 48 square meters, around 2.5 million. So as is where is upon turnover, and medyo maraming ipapaayos sa property na to. And ito yung taas niya, open layout din. So this is the property. Corner siya. Lot area is 114, floor area is 48, 2-story. Open layout ng loob niya. This is for bidding. Around 2.5 million starting bid price. So if interesado kayo dito, please message us directly. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment, 90% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. So hanggang dyan siya, yung perimeter line niya. And as is where is po tayo upon turnover. Still sale na to, around 2.5. Yun nga lang yung loob, open layout, makalat. And as is where is ang turnover natin. Tapos hanggang dito siya. Yan, katabi niya yan. So marami ka pang pwedeng gawin sa property, like extend mo siya dahil malawak pa yung bakanting lote niya dito. So again, if you are interested to make a bid, just message and follow us directly. Just follow and message us directly.
Corporation advances from stockholders. Pero minsan yung advances wala nang bawian. Gagawin yung incorporate law, kasama yun ng APIC, additional paid-in capital. Pero minsan naman, advances, talagang loan. Ano yung difference nun? So, yung advances sa corporation na additional capital, wala nang sa ulian yun. Asset na ng corporation. Samantalang kung advances by way of loan, may bayad. Sure. Whether malugi yung corporation o hindi. In fact, in theory, maski na maging insolvent yan, dapat babayaran pa rin, but subject to the rules on occurrence and preference of credit. So that this might be involved in corporate law too, in a sense. Kasi nga, there's an issue dyan sa dividends. Pwede mo bang gamitin yung APIC as part of the dividend declaration? Natanong na yan before. So hindi, kasi it's part of an investment. It's capital. Basta capital yan, hindi pwedeng gamitin for dividend declaration.